Hello guys, this is Naveen from BSc Data Science. Today we look into the topic loops in C programming. In this presentation we will learn what loops are, why they are important and different types of loops available in C programming. Now, what are loops? Loops are basically an instruction that repeat multiple times as long as condition is met. Now let's look into different types of loops. For loop, while loop and do while loop. For loop is used when you know the exact number of iteration requires. Iteration basically means how many times you want the loop to get executed. While loop. While loop is used when you don't know the number of iteration. Here we check the condition. If it's true, then we execute the code. In do while loop, the code is executed first and the condition is checked. It ensures the code block works at least once. Now we look into loop control statement. Break statement. Break statement terminates the loop prematurely based on certain condition. Useful for immediately exiting a loop when a specific condition is met. Continue statement. The continue statement skips the remaining code within a loop iteration. It jumps it to the beginning of the next iteration, allowing you to skip unwanted execution. Nested loop. Nested loops are loops within loops. They allow for complex iterations and are commonly used when working with multiple dimension arrays and patterns. Infinite loop. Infinite loops execute indefinitely without an end condition. Avoid accidental infinite loops as they can crash your programs or impact performance. Best practice for using loops. Choosing the right loop for the task. Select the loop type that best matches your specific requirements, considering factors like known iterations and loops termination condition. Considering common loop mistakes. Learning about common mistakes such as infinite loop, incorrect initializer or termination condition and side effects. Tips for optimizing loops for performance. Discover techniques to improve loop performance, including minimizing unnecessary calculations and optimizing loop conditions. Hope you guys are clear with the loop concept. If you have any queries about the topic, please comment below. Thank you, guys.